In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Notion assignment tracker for this semester. Open Notion and create a new page. Name it Semester Assignment Tracker. When Notion asks for a layout, choose Table. Full page if you want a dedicated database, or Table. Inline if you're adding it inside an existing page. A full page table is usually easiest for semester-long tracking because it gives you roomy views and filters. Next, set up the core database properties so everything is organized from day one. Rename the title column to assignment name. This is where you'll type the exact name of each task. Add a property called subject or course using select or multi-select with options like math, English, science, marketing, or programming. Add a due date property set to date and turn on remind if you want notifications as deadlines approach. Add a status property as select with options like not started, in progress, submitted, completed, and late. Add a priority property as select with high, medium, and low. Finally, add a type of assignment property as select with options such as homework, quiz, project, exam, or presentation. If you want to monitor effort, add a progress property. Set it to number and format it as a percent. Update this as you work, like 25%, 50%, or 100%, so you always know where you stand. For deadline awareness, add a days left property. Set it to formula and paste. Date between prop, due date, now, days. This calculates how many days remain until the due date, making it easy to spot urgent tasks. Create a few helpful views, keep an all assignments table to see everything, make a this week view by filtering due date to within the next 7 days. Add a by status board view grouped by status for a Kanban style workflow. You can also create a by subject view as a board or table to see workload by course. Open any assignment to store details right inside it. Add instructions or a rubric, link to documents and files, paste notes from lectures, and include submission links. Keeping everything in one place reduces last-minute searching. Use colors on status, priority, or subject to make urgent items stand out at a glance. To speed up adding new tasks, create a template. Click the 3 dots in the database, select templates, and create one called New Assignment. Pre-fill status is not started, progress is 0%, and include a simple checklist for research, draft, review, and submit. Maintain the tracker weekly. Update statuses in progress. Review the This Week view every Monday, and mark completed work as submitted or done. At semester's end, duplicate the page, rename it for the next term, and clear old entries while keeping your structure intact. Thanks for watching. If this helped, subscribe for more Notion tips and tutorials.